What's going on? For Vlogmas Day 25, I'm actually going to be doing a vlog. Ellie just left to go see her family for the holidays. We have the two kitty cats with me, Azula, who you can barely see, and Toph. And we have a litter box, and we have their carrier, and in the closet we have their food, which I'll take out when we leave. And we're going to be traveling to Buffalo. I'm going to document a little bit of that, show you some Christmas fun, and we're going to see how the cats do, because we're going to a house with a tortoise, 2 cats, and 2 dogs. So we're adding 2 cats to that equation. We've done it before, but now we have a new puppy, and it's been a while since I've seen any other animals. So I don't know. I'm going to try to keep them in my room as much as I can, but I think inevitably there's going to be a little bit of meeting of 2 forces happening, so we'll see. All right, just got everything moved in. It's like 9 p.m. right now. There's the cat carrier, brought him in, got the litter box. Azula just hanging out. She gets feisty when she starts seeing the other animals and the new animal. She'll be hissing and growling. Let's go see Toph. She's hiding in the closet. Hey, Toph. Is it your hiding spot? She's going to take a little bit to warm up, but night number 1, just getting the cats acclimated. Gonna have to introduce them to the animals pretty soon. Should be fun. I'm sure Toph hears all the commotion, but just doesn't care. Hi, Toph. Well, I don't think Toph likes this one bit. Okay, Toph, I'll grab him for you. Yelling at him. Oh, God. Zula's starting to loosen up now that she's not worried about Mishka anymore. Toph's still hiding, but she's a scaredy cat. She's back there somewhere. I know one thing that'll get these cats behaving, and it's food. I haven't even been here that long, and it's been a long night already. I think this is going to be it for tonight. Hopefully we can get some good rest with these 2. They seem to be getting along fine again, and we'll start again tomorrow.
The winds would cause so many problems here in western New York. In Lackawanna, we've had hurricane-force winds of 79 miles per hour. At the Buffalo Airport, 72-mile-per-hour winds. Dunkirk, 66. Batavia, 60. Warsaw, 58. Winds will stay strong like this for the rest of the day and into early Saturday.
It's so crazy.
Hey, Cora.
Look at Cora's face. Look at Cora's face.
Cora.
She has so much snow in it. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Ah! She just fell in. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Look at her.
Hi, Goose.
Her
Oh.
face plant.
Oh.
It's so crazy right now. That's nuts. Look at that. You can't see anything. Nothing. Like, you see how it's like just white? Like, that's literally what I see. It's not just like the camera. That's great.
Ooh. It's blowing in my face.
I'm getting snow all over me. Look at me. Oh, here we go. Big wind gust here. The wind has died down quite a bit, though. It was crazy windy earlier. I mean, you can't see anything back there. It's just white out. It's like 5 p.m. I think right now. So just sun is setting, or just set basically. Craziness. Look at that. I'm just covered in snow. Being out here for like 2 minutes. Wait, I got pushed so far back.
I was right near the star too.
Wait, I was actually right next to the star. Is there still water on my? Oh, there's water on my camera. Hold on. All right, Lena, go out the front door.
You just can't get out there.
Oh my god.
All right, I'm a little bit better equipped for the weather now. Here we go.
Cora!
I sleep out here.
Put snow pants on, Tyler?
Yeah, I have snow pants on. You think I would do this with regular pants on? Dude, it's nuts out there. My camera can't focus at all.
Cora! It's so cool. It's just flat.
I want to take your goggles off so bad.
We had like 230 racks. A thing of Twisted Teas, IPAs. All he had was different drinks. 100 plus.
The major winter storm is impacting millions of Americans as it brings bitter cold temperatures, blizzard conditions, and flooding to much of the country. Buffalo, New York getting more than 2 feet of snow. The airport shut down until Monday. 2/3 of emergency response vehicles are stuck across the city, and officials are warning residents to check furnace vents to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning.
We got Azula out and about. There she is. Toph's finally out of her shell. Christmas Eve today. No party because we can't go anywhere. The weather outside is absolutely insane still. Hopefully going to be able to make it home tomorrow after Christmas morning stuff. Cats are both out and about finally. Toph's out of her corner. She spent the first 2 days here just sitting in a corner. And now she's finally, like 4 in the morning, Azula was scratching at the door to be let out to run around. I was letting them stay in here because I was worried they would get, into fights with other animals and stuff. And Azula wanted to get out, so she went, and then I guess Toph followed her, and Toph's been being super chill ever since. So she just needed a whole day basically sitting in a corner, and now she's fine. She was like shaking in the corner before, and I brought her upstairs yesterday, and she was shaking. So I don't know what changed, but she's just loving it now.
What are we supposed to do? How do you get in the garage?
I don't know if you can.
You have to eventually. I crawled in.
You crawl over here?
Yeah, I use a shovel so I would put it like this so it wouldn't sink in.
Okay, I gotta go in and get like blasted with snow.
The bank on the other side, if you put boots on and came around that way, I have it all plowed. The snowbank is almost to the top of the trailer on the other side.
So if you don't know, Toph loves playing with bread ties. And since she's been getting out of her shell a little bit more, she's been roaming around. And I hear her come into my room yelling a little bit. And I look over to her. Hey, what are you doing? I don't even know where she got it. She managed to find a bread tie. I don't understand. Azula's putting her food away. And Toph is eating like it's her first meal in 10 days. Normally we would give Toph a lick mat so she goes slower, but since she's on like high alert right now, I'm trying to just get her to finish her food. Look at that. Normally she cleans it all the way. And before we go to bed, it's very dark in here, so forgive that. And it's messy. But both cats. Oh my goodness. Both cats hanging out with each other up there. It's officially Christmas. I'm going to bed. We're going to open up some presents tomorrow, go home, and try to get through this blizzard. Not in that order.
She's like trying to like get any piece of Azula.
I don't know what this is.
It's a good album.
Okay.
There's something wrong with that dog.
Generations of Sound. What is it?
They're really nice headphones.
What? Oh, those are those ones. They're real. They're handmade in Brooklyn, New York.
Oh,
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
you
I
can
researched them.
Tyler bought you a nice.
Tyler told me about them and I researched them. They're supposed to be really good. Big sport. Mickey Mouse.
Hey, I love hats. That's awesome.
That's from Ellie.
Thank you.
And they're thick ass ones too.
I got rid of this bag. No, I can't borrow his anymore.
Open it up.
Oh, you got me this too. Oh,
Those
snippy
are
snappers.
nice.
I got a whole fucking bag.
Oh my god.
Jeez Louise.
Fuck you, fuckers. Still owned by Tyler though.
Still has my name and
Gotta
number on
change
it.
that.
What is this?
Tyler will tag him.
Ooh, what is this?
I'm gonna find out that you didn't listen to. I'm gonna.
I mean, I've never even heard of this. Thank you.
Slow motion, whatever.
I love it.
People love it.
What's it called? That's really cool.
Oh, cool. I already know what it is.
Oh, I already know what it is.
Oh.
Gotta be a knife. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
super cool one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, that's pretty fucking cool. Wow.
I could probably cut some of
Just a little.
That's really
Whoa,
cool. Thank you.
Yay!
Look at her, look at her, look at her, look at her. She wants the bed. She's getting it out.
Oh, it's Lucy's trying to get the bed out. So just finished riding the snowmobile down the street. Something went wrong. Don't know what. I've ridden a snowmobile 2 times, 2 years ago, and this is a new one, and I think it overheated or something. Don't really know, but we're gonna get it back. But I'm done snowmobiling for the day. But they fixed it, and it's coming back. Alright, we got a generator strapped down to a plastic sled, and we have a snowmobile outside, and a National Grid truck is stuck down the road. Alright, it's the day after Christmas now. Driving ban is still in effect in my area, even though the roads are mostly clear. If they clear it, I'm getting out of here. Other than that, though, the cats have lost a mouse under the door of my closet. All right, we're at a bit of a standstill here, but driving ban lifted like, oh, I guess we're moving. We got the cats with me. Travel ban lifted like 30 minutes ago in the town that I'm in, so we're trying to get out of here. A lot of plows, National Grid trucks. There are some cars that are like still stuck in snow on some of the like intersections and stuff, which is very interesting. Not a ton of like regular cars out, but we got to get out of here. Cats are running out of food. They're gonna need some more, so we're going home. Pretty slow right now. I imagine it's gonna be like this quite a bit where I'm at. It looks like some cars are still being dug out, but we're moving at a slow crawl. We should be out of Amherst pretty soon, back to Rochester. Has been one hectic week for sure. All right, we're back in Rochester. It is strikingly different weather here. I got the cats with me in their carrier. Can't really see them. But they're doing better. They were a little upset at the start of the car ride. Yeah, like when I was in Buffalo, it's crazy. So the drive was insane. Right when I was doing my little vlog right there where we were stuck, the reason I was stuck is we were right by Wegmans. I'm sure a lot of people were trying to get food and stuff, and there were just tons of cars. Like, I mean, they had been digging cars out for days at this point, and there were still like like maybe 8 cars just around that area, like still like covered in snow being towed out. So we had to kind of get around them and stuff. But it was really weird because at that point there were like 5-foot tall snowbanks on either side of me. And by the time I got to Clarence, they were like maybe 3 feet tall. And then by the time I was in Batavia, they were like a foot tall, maybe, like at best. And then now that I'm back in Rochester, like I can see the grass. Like there's like no snow, right? Like it looks, it's crazy. So it's just funny how it's like an hour away and there's nothing out here. I can go play disc golf tomorrow. So yeah, pretty happy I don't have to deal with all the snow anymore. That was a crazy experience, all of that. I hope I can put it together in sort of a vlog. I mean, there was a lot going on. Had to do a lot of shoveling and snowballing and stuff. Tried to get some footage and some vlogging going on in lieu of a video, and I'll try to put it all together and have it be my sort of Vlogmas Day 25, even though it probably won't be out until tomorrow. So tomorrow being Tuesday. I have a lot of plans for the channel. There's a lot that I want to do. In particular, I want to do more content revolved around actually like playing disc golf and doing challenges and stuff, but I also want to do a lot of educational content. I know there's a lot of educational content on disc golf on YouTube right now, but the way I see it, there is a better way to do a lot of that. I have some plans for like just straight up beginner content. I don't think there's a ton of stuff. Like if you're a straight up beginner and have never played disc golf before, I don't think there's like a good YouTube channel to go to and just watch like, hey, what is disc golf? What is this plastic? What are all these companies? What does overstable mean? Like there are like bits and pieces around there, but I don't think there's a good like one-stop shop to get all that information. So I want to try and put that out there for people in a series. So that's one plan I have. I want to do a lot of like beginner tutorials. I don't know if I would call them tutorials, but like beginner-centered content talking about everything I can think of revolving around disc golf that I think a beginner should have. So that'd be the next step up above, like, what is disc golf? And then just like some challenges, some fun stuff. Gonna stay on the progression stuff, talking about tournaments and what I'm doing, going pro and all that. So that'll also be there. So there's kind of 3 parts: teaching, having fun, and learning myself. So Christmas was fun, interesting. Blizzard 22. Back in Rochester. See you later.